Hello friends, my name is Jose Luis, and this time I'm going to show you how to build a very nice and easy to make modern shelf. I'll share some details. This shelf model can be placed directly on the floor or at a custom height by adding a strip with dowels underneath, securing it with screws. This way, it can be used as a rack. In this space, you can place a 32-inch TV, which would fit perfectly. Good friends, you can find the measurements and more details on the website. Let's get to work. Let's start with the main board. After carefully sanding the faces, it's essential to accurately mark the measurements. We'll mark the thickness from the edge inward at 2.3 centimeters, then leave a space of 22 centimeters for a symmetrical design, and again mark at 2.3 centimeters. On the other end, repeat the marks at 2.3 centimeters, 22 centimeters, and again at 2.3 centimeters. Next, we'll screw the 38 centimeters long boards. Using a guide drill ensures precise holes. When screwing the 38 centimeters boards, make sure to apply glue for a strong joint. Constant cleaning is key here. Any excess glue can affect the final appearance. Repeat this process for each 38 centimeters board. Drill with the guide drill, glue, and screw. Don't forget to check and ensure that the structure is square, achieving a homogeneous and sturdy assembly. Since it's a bit lower, I'll assist this board with sandpaper to fit perfectly with the main board's edge. Always clean the glue for a neat finish and verify that everything remains square, tapping if necessary. Let's assemble the other shelf piece that we'll join to the main one. Screw the longer 102 centimeters board to the 35 centimeters board. Then, the 35 centimeters board to the 72 centimeters board. We'll drill, glue, and screw properly in all joints. Ensure precise screwing to maintain stability. The crucial detail is to dowel. For that, have the pointed dowels ready in advance, making the application process easier. This step not only contributes to structural stability but also adds an aesthetic touch. Ensure the dowels are sharp for easy insertion and maintain uniformity. Glue them for adhesion, clean the excess, and finally, cut the remaining with a saw. Assemble the shelf in two parts because it facilitates the assembly process. Stain the board that will go at the back. First, polish its edges. Polishing and staining the front of the board are crucial for the overall aesthetics. Choosing a walnut-colored stain provides a warm and attractive finish. It's a universal water-based stain. Use a sponge to apply the stain, ensuring an even distribution, and repeat the process to enhance color intensity. We must wait for this piece to dry completely before assembling it. The final assembly of the two parts of the shelf requires precision. Use the guide drill to drill and screw, brush with wood glue. Continue ensuring each screw is firmly in place. Cover the screw heads with dowels from the visible side to ensure a clean and professional finish. Clean the excess and cut them with a saw. With the assembled shelf, lift it and turn it to place the stained backboard. Check that we have the same measurement on both sides. Drill it with the guide drill and gradually screw one by one, simultaneously checking the square to keep it centered on the structure. Carefully control the distances and use clamps to maintain uniformity while screwing, achieving the same opening measurement at both ends. Lower it to comfortably sand the top, then bring it back to the work table to continue polishing. Use a belt sander for efficient polishing and then an 80 grit sandpaper for a flawless final finish. This final step not only enhances aesthetics but also ensures safety by eliminating sharp edges. And there you have it. Well, friends, the modern shelf is ready. If you liked it, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, comment below. I'll be responding. Bye-bye.